4-story research indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, cloth seats, rear view camera, blind spot monitor, panorama sunroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you 2021 Camry. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tires, front performance, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, lane departure warning. Come see the car for yourself.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used Program. It's the smart choice.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.